Right now, Empire Network and iPass have created this new project called Titan, and that name is going to change sometime soon. But for a limited time only, I'm giving people a 1% share in my sawmill business, and that's worth $70,000. We have sold 5% shares for $350,000, but you get a 1% share free. It's a $70,000 value, but you get it free. This Empire Network, there's some good training in there, and it's going to help you in all your affiliate businesses and your network marketing businesses, and it can also help you in any other business that you may be in. Well, you know, they've caused me some trouble because I was telling everybody about it, and I did sign a non-disclosure agreement on this stuff that they got, they're now releasing, and I don't know what the big deal is. It don't make no sense to me. I mean, it's bullshit. This non-disclosure crap, it's just a gimmick. And Will's brother, he's a kind of a motivation coach, and he helps people make breakthroughs, and I believe that's one of their products. And then they got well, in the Empire Network, they got this Calato blogging base. It's a good blogging system that they got, and they're adding, I believe, to that an autoresponder, contact manager, and stuff like that. But they're wanting you to get in for $1,094 right now, and they say that price is going to go up. And I think that it's not a competitive price with tools that you can buy outside of the Empire Network and the Titan deal. I believe that it's way overpriced, and I don't believe. Well, they've been working the inner circle of Empire, bringing all these people into this Titan deal, and soon it's going to be released to the public. But like my autoresponder with AWeber is only, I think, $19.95 a month, and I think that the price that they're charging is way too high, and then they want you to pay $97 a month or something like that for the right to market this stuff, and I think that's way too high too. You know, that's another $1,000 a year, or a little more than $1,000 a year, and I can't see people wanting to buy this stuff on the outside for those kind of prices. And I'm just being honest with you. These are just my thoughts. This is just my view of this whole deal. And I can't see the value being there. But I'm going to give you that like 1% of my sawmill business, which is $1 for every $100 we earn. and I plan to earn millions. And we're right now building a shop and a little place to live on this farm we got that's got a lot of timber on it. And we're bringing in a sawmill, and I'm still negotiating, trying to find the best prices, best warranty guarantee, and all this that I can. And I found one that I'm going to bring in if we can negotiate the warranty and different things on the motor and things like that. We're going to bring that one in and start. And then after I get going, and it's going to take a little while to build up, but later on, my hopes are to buy more wooded land and come in there with another sawmill and have some people trained to run it and operate it and everything, and plan to build more and more and more sawmills and things, and you're going to get like 1% of all that. And so we're talking maybe thousands and thousands of dollars coming in, and you're going to get 1% of all that. If you get in with Empire Network, iPasses is included, and Tident. I want you to get into Tident for your own benefit, because I may be totally wrong about it. It may take off like a rocket, but I may just be totally wrong in the way I think about it. But I want you to get in that for your own benefit. It's not going to benefit me, because I ain't getting in it until I see what they're doing more. I want to see the funnel. I want to see things all in place, and right now it's not. I don't even think they've got the products to Project Titan completely ready to go. This Will Woods and Dave Woods, they got 30 people coming in and to this next meeting they got in Colorado where their studios are at. And that's when they're going to develop the coaching program, where you learn to become a coach. And that's all good, I just don't know. Maybe it is worth $1,095 for such a program, but they got 30 people coming in, and I guess they're going to use them for examples of the coaching. Show you examples of the coaching. Well, I do got a website that's at wiseguys.weandthemoney.com. I got this website built, and it's showing videos of a meeting in Miami, and it was building up to all this stuff that's leading to Titan, the Project Titan, and it's new. A lot of people are going to jump on it because it's new. And I'm just thinking that it's going to flop afterwards. But, I may be wrong. It may just take off and be a great deal, and everybody's going to be happy with it. But right now, I'm only seeing people that are getting into it that are just average people like you and me, that they are making a little money. They're making a couple $1,000s so far with it, and they've only, at this time, only been in it for like 12 days or something, 12, 13 days. And this is the last day. He says to get into it in the pre-launch phase, and I guess it's going to go from pre-launch to launch, and then be public, and a lot of people, they got big list. If you got a big list, there's some of these guys in there, they got big list, and they're making a whole lot of money. They're making more than 2,000. They're making like 50,000 or so, 20,000, 50,000. Different guys that I've heard talk, and that's what they claimed anyway. But I'm just saying, you get into that and all that under this URL. Go to StevenStafford.com. That's StevenStafford.com. Sign up with Empire Network. It's only $19.95 a month for the affiliate program, and you can try it out. Hold on a minute. You can try it out for 14 days for only $7. Do that, and then I may get into this Project Titan myself, but right now I've sat back. I'm gonna see how things go, because I don't know what the products are going to be like. I don't know. I don't really understand what this technical stuff is. It sounds just like what's already out there, and they got a lot of competition. If it's no more than that, and so I really, I'm not sure that that's going to take off, but it could. And that's why I want you to get into it, because I want you to make as much money as you possibly can, as fast as you can. And right now, if you hit this deal right now, you're in before the launch, and that can mean a lot to you. If you got a list, or they got a plan, a 21-day plan, is something to do with your smartphone and an app, and you can send out a message to everyone in your social markets like Facebook and Twitter and all this. They got something in that 21-day plan, and this is the last day I think you can get in on that. I don't know if they'll still provide it or not later, but you can get into that, and it may make you a lot of money. Within the 13 days, a lot of people have made $1,000, $2,000 or so, and they've got all their money back, to where they aren't they just turned right around and got other people in it and got their money back, and they're making profit. And it's like 100% on the first sale, which gets you all your money back. And then I seen Dave say you could pay it off in 3 payments of like $397 each. But for me, I'm still going to wait. But when if you're paying it off in payments and you make a sale, so you get that first deal back, which is like $997 or something, and that will help you pay off your getting involved. That will make yours free when you get to make a sale, your first sale. And then after that, it's like 50 to 80% or something commissions after your first sale. 50 on up to 80% commissions, what they're talking about, which I have no idea what. All I'm doing is telling you what I've learned, and this may be for you, it may not be for you. If it's not for you, that's okay. We'll part friends, and if it is for you, then I'm gonna come back in myself and maybe join up, and we'll see about this Project Titan. I'm just not real sure about it. I just don't think that coaching, teaching people to be coaches and stuff like that. A lot of people don't want to be a coach. I don't want to be a coach, and so I really don't want that part of the product. And then the other part of products, I got that other product, the autoresponder, all that stuff. I got that in other places on the internet that I go to, and Contact Manager and all that. And but this will be all in one place, so that might make a difference too. But I don't know, it's up to you. You think it's worth it, get involved. You don't think it's worth it, stay on the fence with me, and we'll just see about this thing. Okay, God bless, have a nice day, and I'll see you on the inside. When you get in the Empire Network, give me a call. You'll have my contact information. Give me a call.